Hello, my name is Sister Ann-Therese Kelly, and for your convenience online, Sister Kelly. Just to be clear, I am not in New Jersey. I am in Buffalo, New York. I am the professor of your class, Art 315, Experiencing the Arts. I'm doing this video as an example so that you make a similar one to upload into Course Home so that I get a little sense of who you are. Please also put your picture into the area where the class list is so that I can make that connection with you each time I email you or call you or try to contact you. So please do so. Art 315 was formulated for a class such as yours. It's an 8-week course, especially for nurses, and we sometimes get in people in the business program. And I made it to be as enjoyable for you as I can. I know how difficult your coursework is, especially in nursing, and so I've tried to make it as easy as possible and something that I hope you take with you along the way for your profession to share with your patients or other people you work with. I am in Buffalo, New York because I was at Felician from the year 2000 to 2010, a professor of fine arts. I was head of the art department, and I moved back home because my mom got ill. In moving back home, I continue to teach online classes so that I can continue, first of all, to make a paycheck, but also because I enjoy doing so, and I worked hard to build these courses. So I'm an artist in my studio here in Buffalo. I do stained glass. I do architectural stained glass is the biggest work I do. I do work for I just sent a window onto Africa. Wait, I'll show you a picture of that. Well, apparently it's kind of hard to show you a picture of this on the computer from my phone, but it's 8 feet tall and it's now in Ghana, Africa for a Catholic cathedral. Just thought you'd like to get a sense of what I do. I also have a stained glass window there in Rutherford if you ever are on that campus for Felician University. If you go into the castle, into the front door, there's a stairway up toward the chapel, and there's a big skylight there. It's 10 feet long and stained glass, and that is my work, and you can see it live. There is a unit in this course about stained glass, so I'll talk about it more in there. And I teach a lot. I teach online also live classes for art glass for interior design for Villa Maria College here in Buffalo. I teach a high school course to seniors in stained glass panel making, just like Jennifer Pritzlack does for Felician University. She was my student. She went on for more work in art, and I hired her back to take my place teaching stained glass. You may want to take her course sometime and make real stained glass windows. She's fabulous, and you must say hello to her for me if you do. So I also teach a glass camp in the summer to 5th to 8th grade students, and they have a whole lot of fun for 1 week. So I do a lot of work and in my field, and I'm happy to be teaching you in this course. So please make your little video and share your life with me a little bit, what you do in your field at this point, what specific major you're in nursing or in business or whatever program you're in, and what year you're in, and when you might graduate, and why you're taking this course. So it's nice to meet you, and I hope to continue to hear from you throughout the course. Please try to keep up with the schedule because that's your best way of success. To be late for assignments is to lose credit along the way. So take care, God bless you, and see you in the course.